Hello, welcome to my channel Force Ops into the Salesforce world. We are going to cover three different topics for Salesforce DevOps today. Firstly, to start off, what is Salesforce DevOps? Secondly, is it a safe career to pursue for all the Salesforce DevOps professionals? And lastly, the big questions for the organizations who are going deeper into Salesforce. When do they opt for Salesforce DevOps? Let's start off. What is Salesforce DevOps? With the bookish language of DevOps, as I call it, is a bridge between development and operations. But DevOps is far more than that. DevOps is not just CI/CD. You build a Jenkins file, and everything starts working for your org. You have started following DevOps. DevOps is not a tool or software that you install. Salesforce DevOps have so many verticals and so many things to accomplish. CI/CD is simply a part of Salesforce DevOps. Maintaining your environment complexity, that is a part of Salesforce DevOps. Your release management is a part of Salesforce DevOps. Your code reviews are a part of Salesforce DevOps. Code scanning is a part of Salesforce DevOps. Your entire org governance is Salesforce DevOps that can only be accomplished with Salesforce DevOps. So if you have implement all these things, I would call it a successful Salesforce DevOps, given that you are also monitoring the health of your systems of your entire enterprise. So that is what Salesforce DevOps is. It's a separate skill set, and moving on to the next question, if it's a safe career to pursue, I say it's pretty hot in the market right now. People, if you have seen Salesforce DevOps job market maybe 3 years back, and you compare it with now, you'll see that difference. So companies are now, moving to the DevOps side. Reason being the fact I would call SFDX a big reason for that, because come on, you give a CLI and an API to DevOps professional. What couldn't be done with that? So that's why it's pretty hot right now. I would definitely urge everyone to do consider, if this is something that you are considering. It's definitely one of the hot skill sets right now in the market, and not many people know about it, because in order, there's not one way, there's no algorithm to learn Salesforce DevOps. It'll vary from project to project, from requirement to requirement, from client to client. It will vary as per the needs of the business requirements. So you need to tailor those needs to kind of bring in the appropriate and the correct set of toolkits within the DevOps that would contribute to building a correct Salesforce DevOps platform. So answer to the second question is definitely it's pretty hot right now. Do go for it. And moving on to the big question for the organizations who are going deeper into the Salesforce world, when is the right time to implement Salesforce DevOps? I would say it's now or never. If you Because bringing in complexities into your orgs, you're simply kind of uh, increasing your tech debt. Don't do that. Get someone from Salesforce DevOps, or get professional service right away, at least to evaluate if you really need Salesforce DevOps. I mean, for clients who are having orgs, and that those orgs are not that critical. It's like small to medium size org with maybe 20 to 30 components every sprint for about 2 to 3 weeks in any sprint. So if you have such an org with not much criticality, so you don't need DevOps there. Definitely you don't. But change that may serve your purpose. But you also need to see 2 years down the line, what is your landscape, what is your vision, where do you see yourself? So that's what I would say. Plan it for now, evaluate it for now. Maybe you don't need it, but if you need it, why not? So it's now or never. So that would be my response to the big question. And finally, I would like to say I have a lot in my mind, like starting the Salesforce DevOps approach from scratch and building a successful Salesforce DevOps platform. I'll keep everyone posted, but do drop in your comments if you want me to cover a specific area. And do subscribe and like the video if subscribe to the channel and like the video if you really like it. And let's keep learning and growing together. Thank you.